Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, you're welcome. So the other day we tried how to use avocado pear to cure pimples. If you've not seen the video, don't worry, I'll drop the link in the comment section. So Mass requested for a video on how to clear dark spots. So today I'll be attending to that request. Sorry it took this long actually. So yeah, I made some research and I found out that you can actually use tomato to clear dark spots, and it also works for pimples. So all you need to do is first you wash your face, after that you dry it off, then you get your tomato. This is tomato. You can add sugar on it and honey, or you can add just honey on it, or you can use it like that. So all you need to do is you just rub it like this on your face for like 3 to 5 minutes. It's itchy, so let me warn you now. It's very itchy. If you can try and control yourself though. So all you need to do is to just apply it on your face like this. You can try this 3 times a week or 4 times a week. Try it for 2 weeks or a month and you will get a good result. So this is day 2 actually of me trying this. I'm going to try it for 7 days, then I would come back to give you updates on it, if truly it works or not. As you can see, I actually have dark spots, so I'm going to be trying this, and if it works I'll let you know. So most people said it works best at night. So after taking your bath, before going to bed, you just apply this, then you sleep with it. Then the next morning you just rinse it off before bathing again with clean water. So this is all you're going to do, nothing more, nothing less. If you don't want just this, you can add what's it called, honey to it or sugar to it, and that's all. I'm going to leave this for like, let me say 30 minutes to an hour before washing it off. Then I'm going to try it again and again and again. That is all. I'll be coming back to give you update on it. And you can also bleach with this, in case you don't know. You can just grind carrots and you apply this. You dip this into the carrot paste and you apply it to your face. So yeah, this can go for all skin type. So whether you're fair, whether you're dark, you can use this on your face. Thanks for staying with us on today's video. We hope to see you on our next video and all of our videos. Have a nice day. Bye.